Bazala. Well, I don't know if I don't know if you know what I was doing inside or if you heard anything. But I am ashamed if you heard something falling from me to the toilet. Because me, I don't like using a toilet when there's a lot of people sitting next to the toilet. That's why I don't like a house where the toilet is just next. So, Bazala, I show you what I do when I visit places where there's no privacy in the toilet. Because I don't want somebody to hear when my thing fall in the toilet. When I come out, what kind of a look do I have on my face when people hear all that? I just don't know. In fact, it's traumatizing, so I don't want to go through that. So today I'm gonna show you on this tutorial how to avoid the kaka that is making noise when it's landing. So what you do, Bazala, you must invest in a lot of toilet paper. Eh? You see, I invest. So you take this toilet paper, you make like this. You take a lot. You take like this. So when you have it like this, you make it marry each other like this in two. You see, two like this. You make it like this, and then you put it on the toilet floor. You put it like this. In fact, it depends how much kaka you want to do. If you know that you can measure your kaka that it's small, or it's you're the only one who knows how much kaka you do. So you put this paper here on the floor. This will help you to keep your dignity. You understand? Because as a woman or even a man, you go into the toilet, there's noise, and then you come out, we look at you in another way. So for me, I avoid that. So this is what I do. Get a toilet paper and put it on the floor, and then I just go down like this. Like this. You do your business, eh? Nobody will know what you were doing inside the toilet. When you come out like you were praying. Even you can even put water here and it looks like you were praying and crying or something. Because you took time, eh? Especially for me, I'm always constipated. So this is my only resolution. So you do your kaka like this, you take your time, you push nice. Eh? You push nice. When you finish, you just stand up like this, and then you just take like this. Like this. You take like this, and then you put. Nobody will hear it. Nobody will hear it. Or maybe, if you want, if you don't want to do it on the floor and you are not scared of falling or something or breaking the toilet, you do the same thing with the paper that I already put inside. You put it here, and then you go up with your shoes. You are at somebody's house or you are in the public. So if you are in your own house and people have used the toilet or there's people, you take out the shoes, so you use here. You do like this, and then you do like this. You do your business. But now because you put the paper, the kaka will fall on top of the paper. You see? It's simple. And then you still have your dignity. You have everything that you came with. Nobody will look at you bad or anything. And when you come out like a boss. People don't know what you did. You understand? So don't be scared to go to the toilet and then you will just keep it inside. Go there. Nobody will know what you were doing inside. Okay, Bazala, now you know how to make your kaka land in innocence and in silence. Okay, ciao.